Egyptian director Omar El-Zohairy won the Nespresso Grand Prize for his debut feature film, Reesh, on Wednesday during Cannes Film Festival's Parallel Critics Week, Semaine de la Critique, Feathers. El-Zohairy was also warmly greeted on Tuesday during Feathers' world premiere in Paris, which was attended by the Cairo International Film Festival president, Mohamed Hefzy, whose production company Film Clinic is the film's co-producer and MENA distributor. Produced by Juliette Lepowder and Pierre Menahem of France, the comic drama features a talented Egyptian crew that includes Ahmed Amer, screenplay, Kamal Sami, cinematography, and Hisham Sakar, editing, sound. Demiana Nasser, Sami Bassouni, Fatih Mina Fazi, Abu Sefan Nabil Wessa, and Muhammad Abid El Hadi star in the 112-minute Arabic language film. Feathers, Egypt's debut submission at Semaine de la Critique, follows the adventures of a woman trapped in a repetitious daily routine when a magician accidentally transforms her stern husband into a chicken, as she attempts to survive while undergoing a hilarious and challenging transition. Omar El-Zohairy, a graduate of Cairo's High Institute of Cinema, worked as an assistant director of feature films with Egypt's most renowned filmmakers, including Yusri Nasrallah. Zohairy's first short film, Breathe Out, Zafir, had its world premiere at the 8th Dubai International Film Festival and was awarded the Moore Special Jury Prize for Short Films. His second short film, The Aftermath of the Public Toilet's Inauguration at Kilometer 375, was the first Egyptian film to be chosen for the Cannes Film Festival's Cinefoundation competition. The film went on to win numerous prizes worldwide. Feathers faced fourth against Colombian Simone Mesa Soto's Amparo, Somali Qadir Idris Ahmed's The Gravedigger's Wife, Spanish Clara Roque's Libertad, French Elie Grapp's Olga, Italian Laura Simani's Piccolo Corpo, and French Julie Licouster and Emmanuel Mars. Rye Feathers was selected from nearly 1,000 submissions by a commission chaired by artistic director Charles Tesson for the famous Semaine de la Critique, including a short film competition and special screenings.